Welcome. In front of me is a Poco F2 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, and you can find the toggle somewhere in all other toggles. And it looks like for me it's on the second page right here, the DND. Now the position of the toggle might vary a bit, so keep that in mind. But once you find it, you want to hold it, and this will take us to the settings. So right now it's set to regular, which is just a normal mode with it being disabled. Then you have the silent and the do not disturb. Now silent, as you can see, calls and notifications will be silent, so it's just kind of like if you would do this. And as you can see, now it's in silent. Now the do not disturb mode has additional settings that no other mode does, like allow incoming calls from by default set to none, so no one from anyone at the top defeats the purpose of this. Then you have contacts, so anybody who's on your contact list will be able to call you, and steered contacts, which is another name for your favorite ones, so choose whichever one you want. Then below that you have the notify about repeated calls. So if no matter what the setting right here above is, even if you for instance are blocking everybody, if you have this enabled and someone tries to call you twice within a 15-minute period, they will the second time around be actually able to reach you, so you will know that someone is trying to call you. And this is a good setting to have enabled for some emergencies. Usually people call multiple times within a really short period of time, so this will help you actually know about some kind of emergency that might be happening. And then restrict floating notifications, so this will just disable the notifications from popping up here. And then schedule, which you can turn on as schedule, so you don't actually have to go into your notifications and toggle it on and off from here. You can set it up to basically turn on automatically and turn off automatically at given days of the week and given time. So let's set the days of the week. I have a couple different choices. Custom will just allow you to have a specific custom one, so let's just create something like this. And let me set a time more like a Monday through Friday 9 to 5 work kind of thing. So we're gonna go to from 9 to 5. Go to 5, and then silent mode, do not disturb. So let's keep that on this, and then tap upon the check. And as you can see, once you save it, it automatically becomes enabled. And if it's the day of the week and time that it's supposed to be working in, as it is right now, it will automatically turn on, and then at 5 p.m. it will turn off based on the time that we have provided. And that is how you set it up to be automatic. Now if you want to disable it, you can always just tap on it, and this will disable the mode. Now keep in mind that even if you disable it, it will start turn on the next day at the same time as it was given. So if you want to disable that schedule, you would actually have to go back into the do not disturb mode settings and schedule and disable it right here. Otherwise it will be turning on at the given days that we have chosen in here. But that is how you enable and also set up the do not disturb mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.